Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful math problem which is involving under root or indices or square roots. Pause the video and give it a try. But the condition is that you cannot use the calculator. Alright, I have written this solution and the question again. And now let's start solving this question. Just to make this question simple and easy, what I will do is that I will solve these numbers under the square roots separately. I will solve these numbers separately. How I will solve this? Like this. This under root 72, this under root, this 72, it can be written as like this: 36 times 2, and this 36 times 2 can be written as 6 square times 2 with under root, and then this square can be cancelled with this under square root, so we can write this as 6 under root 2. Okay, and I have already done this for all these numbers like this. This square root of 72 can be written as, by solving these steps, 6 under root 2. Similarly, square root of 48 can be written as square root of 48 is equal to 16 times 3, and this can be written as 4 square times 3, and it is equal to 4 under root 3. And you can see all these solutions for these numbers under the square roots like this. For under root 12, you can write 4 times 3 and then 2 square times 3, and then it is equal to 2 under root 3. Now what I am going to do is that put these values in this question. Okay, now we will write under root 72 was equal to 6 under root 2 like this. 6 under root 2 plus 40 under root of 48 is equal to 4 root of 3. 4 under root 3 or square root 3, and then whole square minus this under root 50 can be written as 5 under root 2. 5 under root 2 minus 12 can be under root 12 can be written as 2 root 3. 2 under root of 3 whole square divided by 1 over 4 times this under root cannot be further simplified, so it will be written as under root 2 plus under root 108 can be written as 36 times 3, and then this can be written as 6 square times 3, and it is equal to 6 under root of 3. So I will write 6 under root of 3. 6 under root of 3 and times 242. It can be written as 242 11 under root 2. 11 under root 2 plus this under root 12 under root 12 can be written as 2 root 3. 2 root 3 like this, and then whole under root or whole square root like this. Now again pause the video and try to solve this question on yourself. You know a algebraic formula, which is that there is a formula a square minus b square. It is equal to, this formula is called difference of squares. Okay, this can be solved as a plus b times a minus b, like this. Now we will apply this formula here. This term is a and this term is b, and there is a minus sign in between. So this is the difference of the squares. So we are going to apply this formula here. So we will write 6 under root 2 plus 4 under root 3 plus 5 under root 2 minus 2 under root of 3 times a minus b. What I will write? 6 under root 2 plus 4 under root 3. Now minus, and this minus sign will change these symbols. This is plus 5 under root 2, it will be now minus 5 under root of 2, and this is minus 2 under root 3, it will be now plus 2 under root 3, like this. And then closing the bracket, divided by 1 over 4 times under root 2 plus 6 under root of 3 times 11 under root 2 plus 2 under root of 3, and then this whole square root, and this sign equal to, and now we will be solving these. Now you can see this 6 under root 2 plus 5 under root 2, so they can be added like this. 6 plus 5 is 11 under root of 2, and this is 4 under root 3, and this is minus 2 under root 3, and this will be now 4 minus 2, it will be plus 2 under root 3 times, this is 6 under root 2 minus 5 under root 2, so 6 minus 5 is 1, so it can be simply written as under root 2, and then this is plus 4 under root 3, and this is plus 2 under root 3, it can be written as 4 plus 2 is 6 under root 3, divided by 1 over 4 into under root of 2 plus 6 under root of 3 into 11 under root of 2 plus 2 under root of 3, and then this whole square root. Now you can see that this is 11 under root 2 plus 2 under root 3, and this can be cancelled with this. Similarly, this under root 2 plus 6 under root 3 can be cancelled with this under root 2 plus 6 under root 2 plus 6 under root 3, like this. So this is the remaining part of the question, and it can be written as 1 over 4 whole under root, and it is equal to, this 4 can be shifted on the upper side of the over, or on the upper side of the fraction, so it will be under root of 4, and it is equal to 2 square. With under root, this square can be cancelled with the square root, so the final answer is 2. So 2 is the answer of this very big question. Thanks for watching the video. like and share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.